Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, you will get to know that how you can make money on Snapchat. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. Open your Snapchat application. Now, to earn money on Snapchat, you need to know that Snapchat has a program that rewards the established creators for the content they share to their story. To qualify that program, the creator must have more than 50,000 subscribers on their public profile, more than 25 millions of views, or 12,000 of view time on their public profile over the past 28 days, post to their public story for the 10 days, each with 20 snaps, at least over the past 28 days, be at least 18 years age or the age of legal majority in the country, and must comply with all the other guidelines. The creators on the program receive payment based on the revenue they generate or the revenue they produce from ads posted between snaps in their public story. So everyone, this is how you can earn money on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.